A very good evening and warm welcome to the Television Collective News. This is Srishti Khadki. Moving on to the headlines. Agreement to complete Machindanath journey by short method. 50,000 financial assistance to Acid victim Khatun on Tourism Minister's birthday. Continuous work against human trafficking, Minister Pawat Gurung. Rape accused arrested in Lamjung. Corona has been confirmed in another 1,041 people in Nepal. 5 more Nepalese have died in the UAE due to the global epidemic of the coronavirus. Record number of more than 90,000 new infections in India. Nepal Mazdoor Kisan Party MP confirmed with coronavirus. England win after a successful last-minute penalty against Ireland, UEFA Nations League. Here we go for news in detail. It has been agreed to complete the procession of Ratu Machindanath, the god of rain, and contemporaries by a short method. During the all-party discussion chaired by Chief District Officer Nayan Prasad Bhatt in Lalitpur district, it was agreed to conclude the procession of Ratu Machindanath in a short manner. As per the government, forgiveness will be offered at the place where Ratu Machindanath chariot is kept. Similarly, it has been decided to visit the site on August 7 and take the idol to Bugmati and place it in the temple by August 11. The meeting was attended by MPs of Lalitpur, security forces and local people's representatives, including representatives of 19 organizations directly participating in Ratu Machindanath's procession. The Lalitpur administration has imposed a curfew in the Lalitpur metropolis to prevent any untoward incident, and a large number of security personnel have been deployed around Ratu Machindanath's chariot. Minister for Culture, Tourism and Civil Aviation, Yogesh Bhattrai, has donated Rs 50,000 to acid-stricken girl Muskan Khatun on the occasion of his birthday. Khatun, who is studying in class 9, was attacked by 2 youths in Birganj on September 5th while she was going to school from home. She is still receiving treatment for her injuries. Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli had called the victim to Balwachar a few days ago and promised to make all arrangements for her education. Minister Bhattrai also said that he was impressed by Khatun's confidence. Minister Bhattrai has been helping helpless, victimized and destitute children on his birthday. Minister for Women, Children and Senior Citizens Pawat Gurung has said that government is continuously working against human trafficking and smuggling. Regarding the National Day Against Human Trafficking and Smuggling, Minister Gurung said that human trafficking has now become a national and international issue not only between individuals, families, communities or any two countries. Minister Gurung noted that Nepal is committed to ending human trafficking and smuggling, a civilized society and a social transformation, stating that the efforts of rights activists, organizations and civil society fighting for justice, including the 3 levels of government, are still insufficient. Said Minister Gurung that more activism and commitment is needed from all of us to stop inhuman and punishable crimes. Minister Gurung also said that government's goal is to completely end heinous crime like human trafficking. This day has been observed every day in remembrance of the ratification of the SAARC Convention 2002 by the House of Representatives on September 7, 2008. According to the ministry, 21 women trafficked to India have been rescued amid the corona pandemic. Police have arrested Nandaman Gurung, age 43, of Kolasothur Rural Municipality 3, Bagum, on the charge of raping 3 girl children. Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP Ganga Bahadur Thapa said police on Friday arrested Gurung for allegedly raping 2 11-year-old and 1 9-year-old girl children in a secluded house. Gurung was arrested acting on a written complaint of the families of the girls. Gurung had called all 3 in the same house and raped them on temptation on last 22nd August. Thapa said earlier too he used to rape the girls, but the incident came to a light when the rape survivors informed their families on last Friday only, police said. Investigation into the case is underway by keeping the accused in detention, police informed. According to Dr. Jageshwar Gautam, spokesperson of the Ministry of Health, corona has been confirmed in 1,041 people, including 349 women and 692 men during the tests conducted in different parts of the country. A further 408 corona cases have been confirmed in the Kathmandu Valley on Friday, with 326 corona cases in Kathmandu, 37 in Lalitpur and 45 in Bhaktapur. Similarly, another 1,566 people have been discharged on Friday. At the same time, the number of corona discharges has reached 27,127. Similarly, 9 more people have died due to corona. The deceased have been identified as 3 women and 6 men, says Ministry spokesperson Gautam. The death toll has risen to 280 so far. Currently, the number of active infected people is 17,870 people. There are 6,561 people in quarantine. As of Saturday, 200 Nepalese have died due to the infection in 16 different countries, according to the NRNA. For the first time, Nepalese living in South Korea have been infected with the coronavirus, according to the Health Committee. Corona infection rates have risen modestly this week in countries including Japan, Australia and Qatar. So far, corona infection has been confirmed in 34,939 people outside Nepal and 32,989 people have recovered from the corona infection, according to the committee. Out of the total number of Nepalese infected abroad, 94% have succeeded in overcoming the corona infection. In India, 90,900 corona infections have been reported in a single day. The number of infected people seen in India on a single day is the highest so far. With the addition of 90,900 infected corona in a single day, the total number of infected people in India has exceeded 4.11 million. Similarly, the number of deaths due to corona in India has exceeded 70,600 with a death of 1,044 people on the same day. So far, 3.177 million infected people have recovered in India. In the last 24 hours, 42,000 people have been infected in the United States and 707 people have died. At the same time, the total number of infected people in the United States has reached 6.431 million. Of them, 192,000 have died and more than 3.7 million have recovered after the treatment. Nepal Mazdoor Kisan Party leader and MP Prem Sewal has contracted the coronavirus. He had given the swab for the test on September 3rd due to suspicion after contract testing. A report on Saturday confirmed that he had a corona-positive infection and was living in a home isolation. From today, the work of searching the contact tracing and travel history of all those who came in contact with him is underway. A test conducted at a public health lab run by Bhaktapur municipality in Chamasing has confirmed his corona. He is an MP from Bhaktapur constituency number 1. England have made a winning start to UEFA Nations League football after Raheem Sterling scored the decisive goal in the last minute. England beat Ireland 1-0 on Saturday. Within 2 minutes of England taking the lead, host Ireland also had a chance to equalize, but Vickers Bizarreson's penalty did not convert to a goal. Earlier, England were limited to 10 men when Kelly Walker was sent off in the 70th minute for a double yellow card. Ireland, on the other hand, were reduced to 10 men in the 89th minute when Ingasson received a double yellow card. With the win, England is in second place with 3 points in Group B. Belgium of the same group is at the top in the terms of goal difference despite having the same 3 points. This is all for now. We'll be back with more news and updates. Till then, keep watching Dhamma Television. May all the sentient beings be at peace. Stay safe.